Introducing the Einstart S, Shining 3D's new desktop printer. With a 12.5 by 11.5 inch footprint and a 250 cubic inch print volume, the Einstart S packs a big punch in a small area. The 4.4-inch OLED operational panel makes the most complex prints simple. Using the Einstart's one-press printing system, you are only 10 minutes away from your first print. By employing smart equipment control software, versatility and efficiency are improved. A print can be paused and the filament changed, making multicolored prints a distinct possibility. The Einstart S is for everyone, whether you want to learn about 3D printing or build up your operational arsenal. The Einstart S provides a cost-effective, reliable 3D printer, one that can take all of your ideas without taking your wallet. So start printing with the Einstart S and keep your future shining.